Welcome to the Pinnawala Elephant Orphanage, a sanctuary where the majestic giants of Sri Lanka find care and compassion. Twice a day, these gentle giants embark on a journey to the nearby river, a cherished routine for the elephants and a mesmerizing sight for visitors. From the youngest calves to the grand matriarchs, their unity reflects the strength of their bond.
Time to go and take a seat to see them go to the water.
Okay.
Among them is a brave soul, a handicapped elephant who, despite challenges, moves with dignity and grace. A true testament to resilience and the care provided here at Pinnawala. Their march ends in the cool embrace of the river, a moment of joy for these magnificent creatures. This is Pinnawala, a place of hope, healing, and harmony for Sri Lanka's beloved elephants.